Hi, everybody. This is Silvio Canto in Dallas, Texas on Sunday, May the 12th, and welcome to our video commentary. Well, I'm sure you've been following the news about these so-called heartbeat laws that are passing. They're passing. The one just was signed into law by the governor of Georgia. It goes into effect, I believe, the first of the new year, meaning 2020. Other states are passing similar laws. Here in Texas, we are in the process of putting a law like that through our legislature. It probably won't happen until 2020, but or the next time the legislature meets, which would be 2021. But clearly there is a trend among many states to go or to put this type of restriction in abortion. The restriction is very simple. If you can hear a heartbeat, if you can listen to a heartbeat, something that technology now allows you to do in the 12th week, then if you can hear that heartbeat, then you cannot have an abortion. That's the essence of the piece of legislation. Now, of course, the reaction has been fairly typical. You know, you have the pro-abortion groups saying that we're taking the reproductive rights of a woman away. Some people are even boycotting the state of Georgia because they passed this law just recently. One way or the other, wherever you stand on this issue, I happen to be pro-life, so I believe that abortion is a taking of a human life. But nevertheless, wherever you stand on the issue, the reality is that this is going to be a major topic in 2020. And President Trump, who has become very pro-life, is going to force the Democrats to define themselves when it comes to this issue. And the Democrats are going to have to take positions that are going to put them in a very difficult place, because if they support, for example, if they continue to support abortion at any moment, at any time of the pregnancy, that's going to put them at odds, I think, with the majority of the public who doesn't buy late-term abortion. But it's also going to put them at odds with Hispanic women, an important voting bloc for whoever the next candidate for president is, or the next Democrat running for president. By the way, it's going to be very interesting to see where Mr. Biden, Vice President Biden, falls on this issue, because he has been historically, he favored Roe v. Wade, but he's also favored bans on late-term abortion and so on. So I think for the first time ever, I believe that abortion is going to be a major issue in a presidential campaign in 2020. It's been in the past, but not to the extent, I believe, that it will be in 2020. Of course, the whole issue will go to the Supreme Court. My guess is that they will rule on this sometime between 2020 and 2021. That, of course, will mean that the next Supreme Court justice, whoever that person is also going to be rather controversial again, because there's going to be potentially a major decision on Roe v. Wade in the Supreme Court in the next couple of years. So it's going to get very interesting. It's going to get very interesting over the next couple of years when it comes to abortion. Well, thank you for watching. We have all of these on YouTube, on Twitter, on my blog. And if today is your birthday, happy birthday. Bye-bye, everybody.